Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, if you're new to the channel and you like paper crafting, greeting cards, Bible journaling, regular journaling, junk journaling, DIY, if you like the crafty stuff, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell now so that you don't miss any of the crafty uploads. You're not going to want to miss them. You know the new year's coming in and we got a lot going on. But if you're not new to the channel, go ahead and give yourselves a round of applause for currently being a member of the Lovely Lab, the community where we create out of love. Anyways, guys, so I am popping on today to share with you a set of gift card holders that I created for our volunteers, Sunday school volunteers. Now, I know I could go out and buy them and they actually already come cute, but I figured presentation is everything, right? So let me go ahead and make this a little bit more personal, let them know that I care and I appreciate them and I love them for the love that they show our students in the kid ministry. So without further ado, let me just share with you what I created. So this is the set for the smaller individual, the smaller gift cards. They're already in an envelope, but I wanted something with a little bit more detail. So that's what I was aiming for. So on here, this is some of the paper that I featured in that last video, my what's on my desk, some of the papers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And so I just fussy cut some of the pages. One of the pages had a whole bunch of holly. Yeah, I think that's holly, mistletoe, whatever. And another print was a bunch of different little wrapped packages. And so I fussy cut those out. Let me see if I can grab the two sheets. I'm going to end up tearing up, dropping something or something like that. Okay, here we go. All right, bear with me, guys. All right, so I've used this sheet with the holly or mistletoe, whatever. And then this one with the gifts on it. And then I fussy cut those out and I put on here. So I also added a little bit of lace because I know this is going to go to one of the youth volunteers. And then I used some different stitching. This is a single stitch around here. And then this stitch looked a lot like Christmas tree. So I said, let me just go down and add that just down to the side. So it's a little busy, but busy can be good sometimes, especially for the holidays, right? And then this one, I added a little bit of fabric to it, single stitched around the edge. There's Santa. There's that mistletoe. And then this is some paper, from the Christmas paper pad that I picked up last year or the year before last. Can't remember which one it was. And I left the fabric, with the frayed edges because I just think it adds a little bit of personality. So, and then for this one, that's where the gift card holder sits. And I stitched paper in here to hold them as a pocket. And then this one, that same ornament paper, 5 golden rings out of the last paper pad from last year. This paper is also from that collection. I can't remember the name of the pad. Some more mistletoe. And then this one has red zigzag stitch. And then the same on the inside for the pocket. And then I stamped them all with the handmade stamp from scrapbook.com. And this is actually my favorite. Is this? Yeah, this one's my favorite. I like the contrast. I like to see a little bit of darkness against the white or the light colors. So between the red and the black and the white light colors, I think this one is really cute. 12 drummers drumming. And then it has the gift card in there stamped on the back. And I had to make these a little bit bigger because they have the different gift cards inside, the full size ones. And I didn't want to detach any of the gift cards from the bases simply because I didn't know what information would be attached to them, and I wasn't about to try and figure it out. Anyway, so this one just has a little scrap piece of black fabric, and it has the little Christmas tree stitching along the side. Let me see if I can get that. Let's see. Is that? Okay, there we go. And then there we have the Christmas tree with a little bit of holly, 6 geese a laying, and then a single stitch around the edge, if you can see that there. And then this one, this is not my favorite one. I think it was my starter template one. Anyways, this one is quite busy, but it's cute all the same. And it has the similar theme to it, stitched on the inside pockets. And then once I get finished with that, I'm just going to drop them in some envelopes that I'm getting ready to make, seal them up, add a cute little Christmas washi to the outside, and that'll be the end of that. And then some of them are getting these gift cards, and then there's other gift cards that were the rest of the staff will get the gift cards that came in a tin. So all of them will have something that looks special, along with a little treat bag, but you'll see that in the next video coming up. So which one of these is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I said that one is mine. 1, card number 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Which one is your favorite? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Let me know in the comments. And until we're back here again on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative, and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.